In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up a buy X, get Y automatic discount code. To begin, go to your Shopify admin and click on Discounts. Once you're in the discount section, click Create Discount. From the available discount types, choose Buy X, Get Y. After selecting this option, make sure Automatic Discount is enabled. Then enter a name for your new discount. Next, move to the Customer Buys section. Here, you'll need to decide what customers must purchase to qualify for the promotion. Open the drop-down menu and choose either minimum quantity of items or minimum purchase amount. After making your selection, choose whether the discount applies to products or collections. Once you've selected the option you want, enter the required quantity or minimum purchase amount. Now use the search tool to add the products or collections that will be included in the promotion. If you selected products, you'll also have the option to choose specific product variants. If you add an item by mistake or decide to remove one, simply click the X next to that item to delete it from the discount setup. Next, configure the reward portion of the promotion. You can choose whether the discount gives a percentage off each eligible item or makes the item completely free. Select the option that matches the promotion you want to run. If you'd like to limit how many times the discount can be applied within a single order, locate the option that allows you to set a maximum number of uses per order. Check the box, and then enter the maximum number of times the promotion can be used in one order. After that, scroll down to the scheduling section. Set the start date for when you want the automatic discount to become active. If you also want the promotion to end automatically, click Set End Date. A calendar will appear, allowing you to choose the date when the discount should stop running. Before saving, review all of the settings you've entered. Confirm the discount name, purchase requirements, eligible products or collections, reward type, usage limits, and dates. Keep in mind that only one automatic discount can be active at a time. Make sure the active dates for this discount do not overlap with another automatic discount that may already be scheduled. Once everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, your new discount will appear in the Discounts tab under Active. Automatic discounts are identified as automatic in the Method column, making them easy to recognize and manage later. And that's all there is to setting up a Buy X, Get Y automatic discount in Shopify. Thank you for watching.